tomorrow's world in education means research and innovation.
Yeah.
If you are able to guide the new generation in that way, definitely they will be successful.
Hey guys, welcome to the TAS Morning Show. Today we're here with Dr Sherimon P.C, who is one of the faculty members of the Computer Science Department at the Arab Open University. But more than that, he's the lead researcher who has developed an AI device that detects early Alzheimer's in patients. So please welcome Dr. Sherimon. Doctor, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I've read a lot about you, and it's good to finally meet you.
Thank you very much.
So doctor, can you tell us a little bit about your journey? Like, firstly, congratulations on developing something that would probably change millions of lives. So was it something that you've always wanted to accomplish? Was this like sort of your goal, or is it something that just came about on the spot?
Yeah, in the case of research, usually we are doing research maybe for theoretical research where we are developing some algorithm, especially in computer science, some algorithm, something like some programs we are developing and we are publishing, of course, some theoretical part, okay. But I always believe that research means we have to support the society, okay. That means it should be a practical output should be there.
Yep.
That was my dream. That was my dream. And even we did some research in COVID-19. When the COVID was there, we developed the same artificial system to support the COVID in Royal Oman Police Hospital. It was a collaboration with Royal Oman Police Hospital because there was a block in all the areas of Oman where people cannot travel. So we developed a system to support the villages in Oman in the COVID treatment. Okay, and that was awarded by Government of Oman, and even we were the team members of that project in Government of Oman.
Lovely.
COVID treatment.
Okay.
So that was a motivation. Definitely we have. This project we applied in 2018 to the Research Council of Oman. Now it is Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Innovation. So I read a lot about Alzheimer, and my father-in-law is an Alzheimer patient.
Oh, sorry to hear.
So you know this disease is not like other diseases.
No, it's not.
Not only the patient, the people, those who around the patient is really suffering.
Devastating.
Suffering.
Yep.
This is the reality. So we were thinking what we can do or how we can support. That was the fundamental aim or the motive behind this research. We thought of having something, an AI system to support. It was actually we planned a system, a normal software system. Then slowly it's moved to a device. That is the journey of the history of this development of this device.
It's really, really noble thing that you're doing, because I've seen, from first-hand experience, I have a bunch of friends. God, thankfully, alhamdulillah, it hasn't affected anyone here in my family, but I've seen a lot of people suffer, with Alzheimer's. So it's really a noble thing that you're doing. So kudos to that, really.
Exactly.
Now, can you break it down for us? How does this device work?
Early detection of Alzheimer. This is our research.
Yeah.
Okay. Because any disease, such disease, even cancer, okay, if we can detect in early stages, definitely we can find a solution.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a solution. That is the primary objective, but that is a theory behind this research. So what we are doing, we have two components in this research. One is an artificial intelligence doctor. Okay, and a virtual doctor, we can say that. Okay. So how I will make it very simple to the viewers, okay, to understand.
Yes.
There is a bunch of questionnaire, okay. We made a virtual doctor. The doctor is asking these questions to the patients, okay. Then how the patient is answering, depend on that answer, we will evaluate, the medical science part is there, we will evaluate the answers, and we are using the machine learning algorithms to analyze it and to convert it to the decision making. That means what is the situation of this patient. That is the first part. Second part is a device, okay. It's a wearable device, very simple device, wearable device, portable device, okay, where you can just wear in your forehead, okay, like a torch, you can wear it, okay. Then there will be some questions we will be asking, okay. We are using infrared and red light. So how it is working, this infrared, it is analyzing the brain working, how your brain is working, brain is reacting when we are asking the question. Each question the brain will be answering, or the brain will be functioning in a different way.
Yeah.
Okay. So these function we will be capture, and we are using Bluetooth to transfer this data to our server, I mean our machine learning algorithm again is there. So we have trained the system with Alzheimer patients. So anything when it's come to the new things, so the comparison is there.
Yeah.
Pure data analysis and IoT, machine learning, all the combinations are working there. And this data is taken from the device, it is analyzed, and finally you will get the result that whether this patient is having a chance of Alzheimer or not. It's a very simple mechanism,
Lovely.
very simple device. Anybody can use it.
How
That
long
is our
does this
purpose.
usually take? Like one, if you have to find out about one patient?
Less than 5 minutes.
Oh,
Less
wow.
than 5 minutes.
Okay,
Less than 5
okay.
minutes. Okay.
That's brilliant. That's
Exactly.
brilliant.
That's the beauty of this device.
Yeah, really. And you know, you've done a lot. Your team has done a lot of research, you know, to get to where this device is today. How long have you actually, you know, put in? How many hours have you put in, or how long have you researched to get this
We
device?
started this project in 2019. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So almost 2.5 years to
Okay.
get the final result of this project. Okay.
Wow.
Because of COVID, there was a few delays there actually, but it was awarded because first we planned to have a 2-year project. That was our aim, but 6 months extended.
Okay.
So it's almost took around 2 years and 6 months to complete this project.
Wow. I'm so glad it's finally, you know, you've actually made a prototype. I'm
Exactly.
glad.
Exactly.
Now, doctor, can you tell me what your stance is? What do you think about, you know, research in the education system? Because, you know, when I was in school, I've seen a lot of intelligent kids who I know would do really well in research, but they probably don't know that research is their thing. And what do you think about education? I mean, what do you think about research in the education system in general, starting from a, you know, lower level rather than universities?
I love that question because this is the real message I want to convey to the society. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow's world is research and innovation. Okay. Education means research and innovation. That is not only in higher education. We have to start in the school because the
Definitely.
mind is very fresh.
Yes.
The graduates are very, you know, when it's come to the university level, there is a difference. Okay, of course, we have a culture, we have a system. Usually, we feel that universities has to do research. No, my view is we have to start research in school. Okay, because innovation. Because there are wonderful minds are there.
Absolutely.
Children are very smart.
Absolutely. Yes,
Not like
sure.
we are thinking. We have
Yeah.
to give them opportunity. So in our school system, anywhere in the world, our school system, we have to support the children to make them in a way that how or what is the importance of research and innovation. We have to motivate them. That motivation, if we can give it to them, if we start them in that age, definitely we can get wonderful products once they come to the higher
Agreed.
education level.
100%.
This is my message. This is my
Yes.
message as a faculty member of a computer science department of having a 23 years of experience in higher education. This is my message we have to convey to the society. Allow your children, parents, allow your children. Let them do innovation instead of a spoon feeding education.
Yeah.
Let
Yeah.
them explore their minds. Support them. Then we can make wonderful products.
Absolutely. Do you think, you know, now that you say this, do you think universities and schools should sort of have an understanding where universities have like research, they give it to schools so that school students can research about? How do you think, you know, school students can actually get into research?
When I do the dissemination of this project, I mean this device,
Yeah.
I invite many principals in the schools to the dissemination.
Okay.
What was my aim? Let this message pass to the school. University, colleges, schools, all has to work together with industry because industry is the fundamental thing.
Absolutely.
Industry, academia, collaboration is this is the need of the hour, no
Yeah.
doubt in that. But what is the academia? Not only university, schools.
Yeah.
Because our children are excellent anywhere in the world because they have wonderful thinking capacity, they have wonderful fresh minds and everything.
Yeah.
They can do wonder if we allow them and guide them. Unfortunately, I don't think so. We are doing this much in
Yeah.
our society.
Yeah.
So this is the message we have to convey to the people.
I
Even
agree.
parents.
I agree.
Parents.
I love that you said that. I love that I wish there was someone like this when I was in school, you know, who actually was a proponent for this, because I didn't have this
Very good.
opportunity. And I hope in the near future we see a sort of change in schools where they can do research and they find out what they're into. So thank you for that. Thank you for that.
We have to
Absolutely.
motivate the children.
We do.
Ultimately, what is this motivation? motivation, encouragement. That is the meaning of education.
Yeah.
That I am focusing on education part again because I am an
absolutely.
educator.
You're a great educator, really. I wish more educators were there like you. But before we finish off, I want to ask you, so, the device that you created is as of now, it's a prototype, correct?
Exactly.
Now, how long do you think this is going to take to, come out in Oman, and where do you see this in the near future? Do you think that, hospitals in US are going to use it, in foreign countries?
Yeah,
what do you see is the future?
What is our aim after this one? Now we have a prototype, it is working finely, we are happy in that. Now we have many protocols are there.
Yeah.
We have to have, from Oman itself, many government sector agencies and public sector agencies are also now inviting us to fund, because we need funding again to complete for the production of this product. And what is our aim? The team aim is to make this a simple device, a wearable, portable IoT device where anyone can use by themselves, because the report will be given by WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Once you finish the testing, within 2-3 minutes it will finish, and you will get your report in your WhatsApp as a PDF file. So you can, like a blood testing, you can see that what is your situation of your brain. So we have to make it very simple device, very cheap device. I mean the economic side, it should be a cheaper one where everyone can afford, even the poor people can afford in the society. That is our aim. So we are working for that. And I would like to introduce my team. That is very important for me.
Please
Can I introduce? Okay.
Please go ahead.
Of course, I have this project is success mainly because of our team. Okay, I have a wonderful medical team. Of course, we started this project with a software. With a application, with an app, a mobile app to analyze the system. But later we converted to the device.
Okay.
So my team from this is the combination of Arab Open University, the leading project. I am the principal investigator from the university.
Okay.
Of course, the project belongs to Arab Open University, but the support, the team members from Royal Oman Police Hospital, and University of Technology and Applied Sciences. Royal Oman Police Hospital, Dr. Rahul V. Nair. I have to mention his name with emphasis because he is the one who really worked hard for this project actually with me. So Dr. Rahul V. Nair, Dr. N.G. Matthew, he is the senior physician in Royal Oman Police Hospital. Almost 32 years he is working in
lovely. You have brilliant
Royal
minds
Oman
working
Police,
with
exactly. And this medical team is very strong with us. That is the reason, otherwise we could not. This is a medical project. Of course, implementation is computer science, but the ultimate basics is health. It is a medical science. So we have Dr. Khalid Sheikh with me, so who is also a diabetes specialist in Royal Oman Police Hospital. He is also having around 30 years in ROP. He is working. So the support of ROP is very important. I feel in my dissemination I told that ROP is not only taking about the low and Oman, they are taking about the health also. Then TAS, Dr. Sherimon, my wife. I think she is also the very important part of this project from University of Technology and Applied Sciences, the former Higher College of Technology, one of the best universities in Oman. So we had a wonderful team. We worked very hard, to be frank. We worked very hard, and we published this project in this research in international conference and journals. And now we applied for the patent. Once we get the patent, we will move for the production and next step. This is our plan.
How long do you think the next step is going to take?
As early as possible. Because this is research. As per the collaboration with the medical companies, I hope we can do it because we need funding for that. But there are many people are now coming to us because they are excited with this product. So there will be actually.
This is a device that would potentially save millions of lives, and I really cannot wait to see the introduction, formal introduction into the market. Product. Yeah, really.
I would like to urge the researchers also. We have to research which is useful for the society. And the interdisciplinary research, that means computer science, medical science, social science, computer science, social science, medical science. These all are very important.
They work hand in hand.
And I repeat again, tomorrow's world in education means research and innovation. If you are able to guide the new generation in that way, definitely they will be successful.
Lovely. Thank you so much for being here, Mr. Sherimon. I was absolute pleasure to talk to you, and I hope people listen to this and more educators, take your advice, start research at a young age. We started at schools. That's going to make a huge difference. So thank you for that, and thank you for being here.
Thank you very much to Arabian Stories and all the team for the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Definitely, it was our pleasure.
Thank you
so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching the TAS Morning Show. Follow the Arabian Stories for the latest updates.